Imagine looking down at your arms and seeing veins popping out, a clear sign of strength and fitness. Have you ever wondered if there's a quick and effective way to achieve this? What if you could transform your arms with just 5 minutes of exercise each day? In our fast-paced world, finding time for a comprehensive workout can be challenging. However, the key to achieving veiny arms lies not in the duration, but in the intensity and specificity of your exercises. Let's explore the exercises that can help you achieve impressive results in just 5 minutes a day. Exercise 1. Wrist raises. Activate your forearms. Stand tall and raise your arms to the side at shoulder level. Move your wrists up and down, engaging your forearm muscles. Duration: 1 minute. Wrist raises are a simple yet effective exercise that targets the forearm muscles, crucial for improving vascularity. This movement not only strengthens the muscles but also enhances blood flow, contributing to the veiny appearance you're aiming for. Exercise 2. Arm rotations. Engage your shoulders and forearms. Stand tall and raise your arms in front of you at shoulder level. Make a fist and rotate your arms so that your fists face down and up, alternating the rotation from your shoulders. Duration: 1 minute. Arm rotations work both the shoulder and forearm muscles, increasing blood circulation and muscle engagement. This exercise helps in defining your arms and enhancing the visibility of veins by promoting vascularity. Exercise 3. Finger push-ups. Strengthen your grip. Lean on a stable table, placing your fingers on the edge so that the base of the palm is off the table. Lower the palms down and push up, alternating the movements. Duration: 1 minute. Finger push-ups are excellent for increasing grip strength and engaging the forearm muscles. This exercise specifically targets the muscles needed for a strong grip, contributing to overall arm vascularity. Exercise 4. Plank with finger taps. Full body engagement. Start in a plank position, ensuring your body is in a straight line. Lift the base of the palm off the floor so that your weight is only on the fingers. Lower and repeat the same on the other hand, alternating movements. Duration: 1 minute. This plank variation focuses on finger strength and stability while also engaging the core, shoulders, and forearms. It's an advanced exercise that helps build upper body strength and muscle definition, crucial for achieving veiny arms. Exercise 5. Fist push-ups. Boost upper body strength. Kneel on the floor in a push-up position with your legs crossed and hands wider than shoulder width apart. Support your upper body with your fists and lower toward the floor with your whole body. Push back up to the starting position. Duration: 1 minute. Fist push-ups emphasize wrist and forearm strength while also targeting the chest and triceps. This exercise promotes muscle hypertrophy and definition, essential for achieving veiny arms. The secret to the effectiveness of this routine lies in its ability to engage multiple muscle groups and enhance blood flow. By targeting the forearms, shoulders, and upper body, these exercises promote muscle growth and vascularity. The combination of strength training and increased blood circulation helps in achieving the veiny appearance that many fitness enthusiasts desire. Finding just 5 minutes each day to perform this routine can be a game changer. Here are some tips to help you integrate these exercises into your daily schedule. Start your day with this quick routine to energize your body and set a positive tone. Use your work breaks to perform these exercises, helping you stay active and refreshed. End your day with these movements to release tension and promote blood flow before bed. While the primary goal of this routine is to achieve veiny arms, the benefits extend beyond aesthetics. Regularly performing these exercises can lead to enhanced grip and upper body strength, better muscle endurance and stamina, greater flexibility in the wrists, shoulders, and forearms, and a sense of accomplishment and improved self-image. Maintaining motivation is crucial for long-term success. Here are some strategies to help you stay on track. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and set realistic milestones. 2. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to monitor your daily workouts and improvements. 3. Find a workout buddy. Partner with a friend or family member to keep each other accountable. 4. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for reaching specific goals, such as increased reps or visible vein definition. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. To maximize the benefits of this routine, it's essential to perform the exercises correctly. Here are some common mistakes to watch out for and tips to avoid them. Mistake 1. Incorrect form. Ensure your body alignment is correct to prevent injuries and maximize muscle engagement. Mistake 2. Rushing through exercises. Focus on quality over quantity. Perform each movement with control and precision. Mistake 3. Inconsistency. Stick to the routine daily to see significant results. Skipping days can hinder your progress. Mistake 4. Ignoring warm-ups. Perform a brief warm-up before starting the routine to prepare your muscles and joints. As you progress, you might find the basic routine becoming too easy. Here are some advanced variations to increase the difficulty and continue challenging your muscles. Weighted push-ups. Use a weighted vest to add resistance to your push-ups. Deficit push-ups. Elevate your hands and feet using yoga blocks or boxes to increase the range of motion. Decline push-ups. Perform push-ups with your feet elevated to shift more weight to your upper body. One-arm push-ups. Gradually transition to one-arm push-ups to significantly increase the difficulty. Achieving veiny arms is a goal within reach for anyone willing to commit just 5 minutes a day to this targeted routine. For more insights into the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, kindly join us on the Discovering Hub Sports. If you found it enjoyable, feel free to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.